Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down and find sounds and vibration. Now we have to scroll down again in order to find the whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the first option, but also for the messages and the notifications. So as you can see, you can also divide the phone ringtone between two different SIM cards, and the same situation with the messaging tone. So let me show you how to change it using, for example, the phone ringtone. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here, you can switch between the SIM cards. You've got also the vibration options, so you can manage them. You can customize if you want the vibration to be long, short, beat, swing, tap, 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 and so on and so on. Of course, you can set also none. So in order to check the ringtones, you have to swipe down a little bit, and here you've got all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, you can set also never, so your device will never notify you about any incoming call. So I'm not really sure if it is the best idea. What's more, you've got the option which is called music on device. So after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files, and if you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. The same situation with the video ringtones. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular one sounds is to simply tap on it. So let me tap on it and volume it down a little bit. Definitely. And you can also feel the vibration. So this is how to check the ringtone, and if you'd like to set this one, for example, as a main one, just make sure that it is marked and get back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about any incoming call from the first SIM card. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.